I think it's Nightwalker. They look like strange pairs of like white pants. It's like a white parabola walking through the woods. Dum dum da dum 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 da dum. Well, hi there. I know, in my last video I said see you next Friday and then I bailed. Well, here I am, hopefully this Friday. I had a busy week because I was in my best friend's wedding. Of course, I caught the bouquet. It became like a competition. I never won it, but at your best friend's wedding and you're single, I would have killed one of the other single girls to take this. It was a beautiful wedding for 2 women, and it was incredible. But you may wonder. Look, some things have changed. I've gotten a haircut, and now I'm still single. So there's somebody talking really loud outside of my apartment complex. Are you guys okay? Well, listen, I am known. When I say I'm known, look, I'm not your normal. Didn't that say it all? Like I said before I was interrupted, I am not like a purposeful glam, do makeup to look really Instagram pretty kind of makeup. Like, I like to experiment with colors that make me look sick under my eyes and, you know, things that are just a little bit more fashion. But for my best friend's wedding, I was in the wedding party, so the theme of the wedding was very, like, earthy, cottagecore vibes, like, very light, very airy. So my best friend's fiance, now wife, said like the theme for makeup was light neutral. I've never really done light neutral, but I decided I was gonna go with it. Now, do I have a couple shadow palettes that already have neutral colors in them? Yes, but I saw this little guy, and this is a little e.l.f. palette that was called Need It Nude, that has some shimmers and some mattes together, and I thought I would give it a go. Well, turns out I came up with a look that was really, really nice, and I think it would look flattering on anybody in any skin tone. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did because I was pretty proud of it. But, you know, before we start anything on this channel, we do, is that too much primer? What do I think I am, an old house? Now, as you put on your primer, we do our daily affirmations. So here we go. I am capable of doing all the tasks I have at hand. Okay. I, even in my lowest points, know that I have self-worth. In the words of Beyonce, and I'm scared that the only heartbeat I hear beating is my own. And I'm scared of being alone. I can't seem to breathe when I am lost. In this dream, I need you to hold me. I'm scared of lonely. Also, do we like the lighting? I know that the blue light is kind of dripping down onto my face, but I feel very sunrise vibes. So, as with my everyday makeup, light and neutral fits really, really well with this Covergirl Clean Matte Foundation. It is light coverage, and I really adore that because I don't love full, thick coverage foundation. Just not me, not yet. One day, could be. What if I just stopped here and I was like, anyway, so next. I used to say on this channel, in life, I am just not your foundation type of guy, okay? I didn't know if I was gonna say gal or guy, and it came out guy. The more I wear it, the more I put it on, the more that it covers up my flaws and my insecurities, it just starts to make me feel better, and I get it. I get it, because suddenly I can go from blackheads to no blackheads, and I can go from ingrown hair to interesting bump on the face. So in this palette, it has this light pink color right there. So first what I did is I just chalked that brush full, this angled brush, and I just went in. I covered the whole base of my eyeball. Start. Now what I like about, and look, Elf, I know that I probably don't have the big enough audience like you would love me to, okay? But if you would just sponsor me, I'd turn it out. I really would. Elf is there for me. Elf is there for the everyday man. Elf is there for the everyday woman. Elf is there for the everyday they, okay? So then, oh my gosh, guys, the wedding was beautiful. I really wish that I had more. I'm just gonna go in with this medium matte brown. That's someone's name. What I like about this shadow is that it's built to be light coverage first, and I'm pretty sure they did that on purpose so you can have a buildable look, which is really, really nice. So I'm taking that matte brown, I'm taking that matte medium brown, and I am putting it on the outer corner of my eye. And I just go ahead and bring it onto the outer corner and then up onto my brow bone. And then I just drag it until I kind of see like a natural fade. And you can always go back. I'm gonna do one more dunk. We're gonna go dunkaroo, dunkaree. And we're gonna hit on the outer corner again. And you wanna get a good just fluffy shape. We don't want this to be too much. Let me see if this is even. Okay, so then I went ahead and used this pink shimmer. And I'm just using a cute little fluffy brush. And I did coat it pretty well. And then I'm covering this whole first 3/4 section of my eyes. So yeah, the wedding was really good. I haven't got to be a best man before. I've only been in 3 weddings now, and the first wedding that I was in was my sister's, and I wasn't the best man. I was there, and I was in it. All right, so I coated that with a first layer, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a second layer. But yes, I was the best man, and it was very exciting. You know, I had a lot of involvement, and I got to help out quite a lot, and it was just nice to feel included, especially in such a momentous occasion in my best friend's life. Okay, so as you can see, we just went ahead and added that first shimmer on. It's that pink shimmer on the first 3/4 of the lid. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the same brush, and I'm gonna go with this lighter shimmer, and I'm gonna do just the edge of the brush, the very top, and I went ahead and just put it straight on my inner corner, and apparently my tear duct. Before I move on to this part of my eye, I'm gonna take this little blendy round brush, and I'm gonna go back into that original color that we used on the outer eye, and I'm just gonna do a little tiny smoky line under my eye. What do you guys love about weddings? I love that people are all together for the same cause, and I like that you get free food as long as you're not the one who paid for the wedding. All right, so we're gonna go back to that fluffy brush, and I am now choosing this shimmery brown right here. Shimmer Brown, that's Matt Brown's daughter. All right, so I'm gonna go back over here in the inner corner, and I'm only gonna hit this side right here. So here's the interesting part that I did next, and I am usually a black liner kind of person, but this time around, I didn't use black liner. I used the darkest brown in this palette. So what I'm gonna do is I'm taking this setting spray, and I am wetting the brush, and then I'm going right into that brown, that darkest brown, and I am doing my eyeliner. Now I'm gonna start with a tiny little wing, so I pretend that there is a line that goes from here to here. So here's my eyeliner. I figured like this would be not only like sharing what is a good look for, you know, the wedding that I was in, but also just a light neutral eye. And then I went ahead and used my finger, and I went back into that original pink shimmer, and I just did a dot in the middle. I think everything on my face I used from e.l.f. Then I used this Ride or Die lip balm, and this was in like a berry shade. This is a tinted lip gloss. So yes, I used this, I used this, and it just gave my teeth, my mouth, my lips a good wash of color as well as a shine. Don't quote me on it, but I think I also went in. Blush is a dangerous game that sometimes I don't know if I want to play. You just smile, you hit, and I hit in the middle of my nose because I like that little frosted look. Okay, and then when it looks like too much, I just blend it out with my hand. Last but not least, I went ahead with a mascara, and I only did the top lashes because when I did the bottoms, it just looked stupid. All right, so here is the final look that I did for the wedding. Well guys, I hope you had a good time. I hope this was easy to follow, and I hope you felt inspired to do a look of your own. All right, so I wanted to continue that top three. My top three songs of the week are Point of View by Ariana Grande, Your Power by Billie Eilish, and Evermore by Taylor Swift. Well, hey, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to. I am also on TikTok and all the social medias, but TikTok is my favorite. I'm always having a fun time over there, and instead of seeing me every Friday or every other Friday, oops, you can see me basically every day. All those links are down below, and this is how we say goodbye on my channel, except, hey, I also have a podcast. It's called Hold Me, I'm Scared, where once a week me and my best friend talk about something scary or spooky and explore it. The link is also down below. Anyway, this is how we say goodbye on my channel. I'm gonna blow you a kiss, and you literally have to catch it. I don't care anymore, okay? I'm sick of the excuses, the lies, and the just downright tomfoolery, okay? Tomfoolery. I need to look into the origins of that word. Like, things like cakewalk, it has racist connotations, and we don't want to do that anymore. All right, so here we go. Catch my kiss, baby. My wedding kiss. Mwah. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Now, blow it back. Go. Yes. Yes. Well, hey, I'll see you soon. Probably next Friday. Bye, guys. What was I doing with my hands? That didn't feel right.